All right, so this is lovely. Corsair might have actually nailed it, where you can put two systems in one case. Why would you want this? Well, one system is for gaming and the other one's for work, or one system's for work with Windows 11 on it, and the other one has Linux. Just makes it simpler. Two separate, not like dual booting, just two separate computer systems inside of one case. And this case is massive. Let's go through this. Let's go through this article. Make sure you go over here, by the way, and check it out. So the Corsair 9000D RGB Airflow, this is a massive case designed to accommodate two systems. It features a spacious interior, excellent cooling options, and a modular design. The size on this is, well, large, 307 by 698 by 698 millimeters. It weighs in at 34.38 kilograms. It's metal, it's black. It accommodates motherboards up to extended ATX. You can also fit micro-ITX boards in this, apparently. 18 fans. What kind of RAD can you put in this? 480 or a 360, 6 SSDs, 5 hard drives, and all kinds of other things that it just goes on and on and on. This is brilliant. Lighting, RGB lighting all over the place on this. What's the price though? It's not going to be cheap. Well, you know, what are you expecting? $500 US. So by the time it hits Canada, that'll probably be, you know, $800 for sure. But that's a lot to spend on a case. But still, I like it.